Thokozani bogogo nabomkhulu, thokozani makhehla mahle, makhehla makhulu, right? I wanna speak to your intuition or your inner spirit or your inner soul, right? Your intuition knows. Your inner person knows. You might feel that you don't have an answer. You might feel that you don't know what to do. You might feel that you've hey, you are at the dead end of you reach the dead bottom. Oksalayo, your inner soul knows. Your spirit knows, and it will always tell you exactly how you feel, exactly where you're supposed to go, exactly what you're supposed to do, and what you're not supposed to do. However, you choose not to listen to it, you choose to ignore it, you choose. So, hence, we say that emhlabeni everybody has a choice, right? You are presented with a tissue. It's up to you that you use it or you don't want to use it, right? You are presented with a challenge. It's up to you if you tackle it or you don't tackle it, and how you tackle it. There'll always be options, and you have to choose from them, right? And most of the time, you Lozi kids, you choose based on emotions. You choose based on what you think it's agent, what you think. You choose based on what you think is good or will look good for you, only to find out that's not the situation or that's not how things are going to be or they supposed to be, right? You know that you do have a gift, even without me telling you that you've got a gift, right? You know ukuthi you have to go uyotwasa, you have to initiate. Then from that, there's something that says wait for the kobela, wait for the right person. There's something that says no, I must go now, things are not going well in my life. I want to fix this thing, I want to fix this area of my life. I want to get it over and done with. Some of you, because of you have money, you feel that you can do it. Money is not a problem. Some of you, you are sick, you feel that I need to go do it because I'm sick. Not understanding that there is someone who can heal you from your sickness, but it does not mean that they will be the ones who initiate you. And more often, what I've found in the from the Lozi kids is that it's most of the time the relationship's not going well, and just to save a boyfriend, just to save a man, then they'll say, if I go to Asa, then I know this thing will be okay. Sometimes it will not be okay. Sometimes you are not meant to be with that person. Sometimes it needs you to change your attitude towards your marriage. Sometimes it needs you to communicate. Sometimes it needs you to tone down your voice. Sometimes it needs for you to just look after yourself, right? Then the marriage will work. Sometimes it needs for you to cook, for you to make time, right? It has nothing to do no twasa. There's no miracles in this place. You can go twasa and come back and find your relationship the same or even worse. So now you did something in a hurry because you wanted to save something, only to find out also in you going to Twasa in a hurry, that was not your time. You were supposed to wait. Your time will come. So you did what is right at a wrong time, of which you were not supposed to do. So I appeal to you that do not do things hasty, do not do things in a hurry, do not do things for the sake of completing it, because at the end, at the same time, initiating or spirituality, it's so draining, right? It's so draining. It takes so much from your energy, for your mental health, it takes so much from your body, it takes so much from your finances, It takes so much from all the areas of your life, from your health, from everything. It's not a child's play. I know that on social media we glamorize it. And also, when you look at me, you're like, oh, ziyadliwa lezi zinto. If I can show you my pictures in Satwasa, you will not like me. You will not like me. Uzosho ukuthi hayibo girl, ushawe umhlaba, ushawe yiphi ibhomu. To the point that even if somebody I knew ungangena naye isikole wahlangana nami emall, hayi cha, bekazongidabukela, bekazosho ukuthi girl, and then what's going on, right? And ngicela Zangoma nigezeni Nkosi sami, Sangoma masigeze. Ukungcola kwakho and being untidy, it has nothing to do nedlozi ukuthi likufuna unjalo. It has so much to do with you. Mina nginogobela othi ithwasa maligeze, ithwasa malibe lihle, ithwasa malibukeke. Ithi umuntu makangena asho ukuthi no cha, hhayi, yes uzobonakala ukuthi uyithwasa, yabo hlala phansi wenzani, but uma ungibhekile uzobona ukuthi hhayi ugeli shem, yabo. Then there was a place, because I thwasa kabili, most people know the story, and because I was doing two different things. The first one, girl, ugobela, okay, ugobela wami wayene-Ben 10, right? I-Ben 10 that could be my age or even younger than me. I think I was older than that guy. And my gobela was very umama mdala, right? And it was easy for Ukobela to think that mhlambe boyfriend is, hence Ukobela was suspecting that one of the initiates was dating or wanted or indodag, and yeah, we couldn't, like, every second she got, she would tell that story, but not to the girl, right? So she made sure ukuthi siyancola. Yabona babathi isangoma esingcolile siyancola. Ngisho ungena ngegate ungangidabukela Nkosi yami, ungakhala inyembezi ukuthi yo uzongibona umndeni ungasho ukuthi hawu waze wazifaka mntakasisi mntakabhuti. And I understood later ukuthi no man, it has not, because at that time she made us believe that this is how things are supposed to be. I remember at some point I was throughout even winter without wearing any shoes. I last wore my shoes when I got in, and I wore them when I went home. That was it. We are a mall, we are a town. I remember there was a time Joburg, Sia a Faraday, walking barefoot. We were not allowed to put a roll on. Ati ilozi. Hey guys, we were not allowed to Vaseline, so you would imagine, okay, number one, okay, it's allowed, right? But I'm just giving you an example. Our cases. On top of that, you were not allowed to Vaseline. So imagine ugeza amanzi abandayo. Nanoma sowugeze ngamanzi ashisayo, iskin siba mpunga, siba dry. By the time uqeda ukusula kuba ngathi awugezanga. The time ugezela ngaphandle enhlabathini. So by the time you come out emanzini abandayo, unyathela phansi enhlabathini, udry umpungani. Imagine how many months, guys. One day only your skin ungazigcobisanga, we can tell. So imagine how many months. And nanoma ugezile ngathi awugezanga. We're not allowed to iron, we're not allowed to. So I think with her man, yes, probably that's how she does things, but also this Ben 10 thing contributed to that. That's my opinion. Somebody maybe can say otherwise. I don't know, but that's my honest opinion. So I don't know what you think about it. Please also comment in the comment section. If there's a video you would like me to make or talk about, then please hit me on the comment section. Love you to the moon and back. Thokozani lisede khanya kamakunda weshew.